Welcome to Uvatech.
After loading the data, the next steps in a data science model typically involve data preprocessing, exploratory data analysis, feature engineering, and model building. In this video, we will learn about the data preprocessing step. Data preprocessing step involves cleaning and transforming the data to make it suitable for analysis. It may include handling missing values, removing outliers, normalizing or scaling features, and encoding categorical variables. To check for missing values in a dataset using Python, you can use various methods depending on the data structure and libraries being used. Here are a few commonly used approaches. Pandas library. If you are working with a pandas data frame, you can use the isnull or isna method to identify missing values. Here's an example. Here we use the same dataset as in video number 5 on this data science playlist. The isnull method returns a data frame of the same shape as the input, with true values where missing values are present. Calling sum on this data frame sums up the true values for each column, giving you the count of missing values. If you have missing values in your dataset and you want to remove instances, rows, that contain missing values, you can use the following approach. If you are working with a pandas data frame, you can use the dropna method to remove instances with missing values. By default, this method removes any row that contains at least one missing value. The dropna method returns a new data frame with the instances containing missing values removed. But for our example dataset, it does not have any missing values, so the method will return the same information.
Thank you for watching and subscribing our channel. Happy learning!